One of our goals in the ThinkUp instructional series is to give you the tools to better visualize the direction for your instruction. Each unit of ThinkUp ELA begins with a roadmap outlining the unit's overarching instructional focus. When you clarify a standard, you're extracting and analyzing the critical pieces of the expected learning outcome. You're looking behind you to see what skills have already been tackled that led students to this point in the journey. You're also looking forward to uncover the important role this concept plays in creating well-developed readers and thinkers. This section of ThinkUp ELA offers a detailed explanation that defines exactly what mastery looks like and the essential vocabulary needed to leverage student achievement. Mentoring Minds has identified 9 traits that cultivate high-quality thinkers. When students think deeply about what they're learning and processes behind it, they're remembering longer and mastering stronger. Each unit supports the development of the 9 traits of critical thinking. It also supports mastery of the expected learning outcomes. The Student Edition provides students with measurable, action-based behavior statements to help them recognize when they're thinking deeply and critically and to connect their thinking behavior to the concept. You'll see these symbols throughout the units in both the Teacher Edition as well as the Student Edition when the trait is referenced. Notice in the Student Edition the behavior for link is explicitly described. When you link, you demonstrate connections between events, procedures, ideas, or concepts in informational text. Many school leaders require teachers to post objectives or learning targets. The Learning Target subsection states student outcomes for the unit. It helps simplify the task by doing the work for you with a student-centered I will statement. The Learning Target statement for this unit is, I will explain events, procedures, ideas, or concepts, including what happened and why in texts. The 9 Traits Formative Assessment in your Teacher's Edition serves as a critical thinking odometer to track student awareness over time as it develops and helps you facilitate the development of the 9 critical thinking traits. ThinkUp includes a pre-assessment for each unit in grades 2 through 8. The pre-assessment monitors prerequisite skills addressed in the unit and helps teachers gauge the appropriate level of support needed during instruction. The pre-assessments are not found in the student editions. Teachers can go to support.mentoringminds.com under the product support icon to receive PDF versions. Or digital access users can assign pre-assessments to their students within the online system. We also provide a diagnostic assessment tool exclusively in our online platform for grades 1 through 8. This tool allows teachers to assess student understanding of previous grade level standards at the beginning of the year to evaluate any learning gaps, providing important data for the teacher to help drive future instruction.